Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing this dress faux locks using Afro kinky, and if you want to see how I got this look step by step, stay tuned. So the first thing we're going to be doing is blow drying my client's hair. She's new to this natural game, as you can see guys. Her new curls are there. And I'm just going to stretch her hair a bit more to make it manageable for me. For the extensions, I'm just going to use Aqua pre-stretch hair to achieve the look that I'm going for. And for the locks, I'm using Afro Kinky, the Urban Beauty collection. For parting, I decided to go with the box braids part look, making quarter squares throughout the hair. She's getting smaller faux locks, so the squares would be a bit smaller than usual. The product I'm using to smooth the hair is called the Ultra Aqua. That's the product I'm using throughout her hair to smoothen her braids. If you guys would like to see how I do my braidings or my extensions, let me know in the comments below and I will make a detailed video for you. So I've braided about 3 rows of her hair with the box braids shaped squares, if that makes sense. And I'm just going to pin the rest of her hair. I'm going to begin the locking process. For my faux locks, I use the crochet method, where I take my crochet hook and slide it through the root of the person's natural hair and the braid. And then I'm taking a piece of my Afro kinky and putting it onto my crochet hook and sliding it through the braid. As you begin to wrap, you're wrapping in the opposite direction of the person's face. This helps you to remember the wrapping direction. And because I'm making these locks as distressed as possible, I'm using the thumb method, where I place my thumb under parts of the hair and I wrap about 2 times over that, and then wrap again and continue doing that method. I know right now it's not the best way to see that, but you will know what I mean in a bit. For a more detailed look, I did an extra clip on a bottle because I do not have a stand. But this is how I did the distressed lock. After wrapping a few times at the root, you're going to begin to add your distress to the lock by using your thumb, taking parts of the hair and begin to wrap above that. And then after you're done, wrap below the lump. Like that. Then you're going to do this a second time, putting some hair in your thumb and wrapping above that about 3 times the most, and then wrap below the lump about 3 times again. This is adding the distress to the locks. You do this as many times as you wish, and it just gives the lock more texture. I'm going to give you another example. Using your thumb, place parts of the hair in your thumb, wrap above that about 3 times, then wrap below the lump about 3 times. And your lock should look like this in the picture above. Off camera, I dipped her hair in hot water. I dried it and added some accessories that she brought. And this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to let me know how I did in the comments. If you want to try this style, make sure to add my social media so you can tag me in the post. and have fun with y'all faux locks, guys. Bye. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you've made it this far, the secret word for this video is faux locks. Make sure to comment that inside the comments below. I will be looking. Peace, guys.